Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your CapCut account to TikTok. So let's say you want to use TikTok music on your CapCut video, or you want also to directly upload your CapCut edited videos into TikTok. You can just easily do so by connecting your CapCut account to TikTok. So here is how you can do it. First, let's just launch the CapCut app. Okay, so here is the CapCut. Sorry, there's an ad, of course. Okay, so here is my CapCut, and to link your CapCut account to TikTok, you can go to the me in here to go to your profile. Okay, so here to start linking your CapCut account to TikTok, you can go to settings on CapCut by clicking on this gear icon at the top right corner. And then go to the manage account options, and in here you'll see connected accounts. So I'm using a Google in here, and if you want to link into your TikTok, you can tap on this link button besides TikTok icon, click on that, and here there will the speech page where you need to allow this access. CapCut wants to access your TikTok account, so these are the access that CapCut will have when you are link your CapCut with TikTok. If you are confirmed, you can just tap on continue, and now my CapCut has been linked into my TikTok here. See, here you can also choose to display your TikTok profile or not. If you don't want to, you can just turn it off just like this, but it is still linked. So you can just go back in here. So now on your CapCut, you can use the TikTok sound that you save. You can also directly upload your CapCut edited videos into TikTok if you want to. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!